Welcome to FactFlow channel. Every single night, whether we remember it or not, we enter a world of vivid imagination, strange stories, and unexplainable sensations. We sleep and we dream. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating science of sleep and the surreal world of dreams. From bizarre facts to cutting-edge research, these are the truths about what happens when we close our eyes. So grab a pillow, get comfy, and let's unravel the mysteries of dreams and sleep. Every night we enter a world where logic bends, time stretches, and anything is possible. We dream. But why do we sleep? The scientists don't know for sure, but we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. Let us start with a mind-blowing fact. The average human spends about 1/3 of their life asleep. That means if you live to 90, you'll have slept for about 30 years. Sounds like a lot, right? But sleep is a waste of time. It's actually one of the most important things your body and brain do every day. There are two main types of sleep: REM and non-REM. Sleep comes in stages. There are two main categories: non-REM and REM. Non-REM sleep includes the deep sleep stages, where your body repairs itself, your immune system kicks in, and your energy gets restored. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, is the stage where dreams happen. During REM, your brain becomes incredibly active, almost as if you were awake, but your body is paralyzed. This prevents you from physically acting out your dreams, thankfully. A full sleep cycle lasts around 90 minutes each night. We cycle through the sleep stages about 4 to 6 times. One full cycle from light sleep to deep sleep to REM takes around 90 minutes. That's why sleeping in 90-minute increments often feels more refreshing than waking up mid. Ever wake up feeling groggy even after 8 hours? You probably interrupted a cycle right in the middle of deep sleep. Most dreams occur during REM sleep. REM sleep isn't just for rest, it's where your dreams live. During REM, your brain is highly active, almost indistinguishable from when you're awake. This is when your most vivid, emotional, and often bizarre dreams occur. While dreams can happen in other stages, they're usually short and fragmented. The real movie magic happens during REM. You forget 90% of your dreams. Here's a strange truth. Within 5 minutes of waking up, you forget about 50% of your dream. After 10 minutes, it's usually 90% gone. That's why dream journals work. You need to capture the dream right after waking up. The reason? Our brains simply aren't built to store dream memories, unless we wake up during or right after. REM sleep-blind people also dream. People who are blind from birth still dream. They don't see images like sighted people do. Their dreams are full of sounds, touches, emotions, and smells. Those who lost sight later in life often continue to see in dreams for many years. Dreams adapt to the senses we rely on most. It's not about vision, it's about how our brains experience the world. You can control your dreams. Lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is when you become aware that you're dreaming and can even control the dream. It's rare for most people, but some train themselves to do it regularly. In a lucid dream, you might fly, visit other worlds, or confront fears, knowing it's not real. Techniques like reality checks, dream journaling, and meditation can help you lucid dream. It's like hacking your own brain. Dreams reflect your emotions, not predict the future. Sorry to burst the bubble, but dreams aren't fortune tellers. Most dream experts agree. Dreams reflect your emotional and psychological state. Stress, anxiety, excitement, unresolved conflicts, these are the ingredients of your dreams. If you're dreaming of being chased, for example, you might be running from a problem in real life. Symbolism, not prophecy. Animals dream, too. Ever seen a dog twitch or bark softly in its sleep? That's because animals dream too. Studies show that mammals like cats, dogs, rats, and even octopuses go through REM sleep and likely experience dreams. In fact, rats have been observed replaying maze runs in their dreams, suggesting memory replay, just like humans. Lack of sleep can literally change your brain. Chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it rewires your brain. Your ability to focus, make decisions, and regulate emotions gets worse. Long term, it increases the risk of anxiety, depression, and even Alzheimer's disease. Sleep is like housekeeping for your brain. Without it, things pile up. Literally, studies show that toxins are flushed out during sleep. Nightmares serve a purpose. Nightmares aren't fun, but they might be helpful. Researchers believe that nightmares help us rehearse threats in a safe environment. It's a primitive survival tool. Think of it as emotional training. Your brain confronts fears and dreams, so you'll be better prepared when awake. Next time you wake up from a scary dream, remember your brain's just looking out for you. Sleep paralysis is a real phenomenon. Ever wake up and feel like you can't move? That's sleep paralysis. It happens when your brain wakes up, but your body is still in REM paralysis that stops you from acting out dreams. It can be terrifying, especially with hallucinations, but it's harmless and usually lasts just a few seconds to a minute. Some people don't dream in color. While most people dream in color, a small percentage only dream in black and white. Interestingly, this was more common before color TV. Studies suggest the media we consume influences the way we dream. People raised on black and white shows are more likely to dream without color. Dreams can inspire creativity and invention. Some of the world's greatest ideas came from dreams. Paul McCartney dreamt the melody of yesterday, the structure of the benzene molecule, a dream. Even Einstein said his theory of relativity was inspired by a dream of sledding through space at the speed of light. So, yeah, sure, brain is brainstorming in your sleep. There's a gene that makes some people need less sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep, but some people feel great with just 4 or 5. Scientists discovered a rare gene mutation called DECTA that allows for this. It's extremely rare, so if you're not one of the lucky few, don't try to survive on 4 hours. You'll burn out fast. Sleep boosts your memory. Sleep doesn't just help you rest, it helps you remember. During sleep, especially deep non-REM and REM stages, your brain sorts through everything you experienced during the day. Important information gets strengthened. Unnecessary clutter tosed out daily. Tosed out. It's why pulling an all-nighter before an exam is worse than sleeping early. Good sleep equals better mood, focus, and health. Sleep is your brain is the best friend. With quality sleep, you're sharper, calmer, and more productive. Your immune system functions better. Your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer goes down. Good sleep hygiene, like keeping a regular schedule and avoiding screens before bed, can change your life. So, what did we learn? Dreams are weird, wonderful, and mysterious. Sleep is vital, not optional. From emotional healing to creative inspiration, what happens during sleep affects every waking moment. So tonight, when you drift off, know that your brain is hard at work, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find something incredible in your dreams. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a like, share it with your dreamist friend, and let us know in the comments what's the weirdest dream you've ever had.